Yes. Good morning, Nigerians. Share this video. This message is for my brother Dion Osagi and wife, because I can't use the word ex-wife, because I know that God is going to bring them back. And wife, Mrs. Winifred Osagi. Even if you claim even if you are claiming Winifred Asabo, but you are still part and parcel of my brother, my friend Dion Osagi. So, my sister, no matter what is going on, you have to calm down and be submissive. Share this video. Make sure it's get to Dion Osagi and his lovely wife, Winifred. Because of una, I me come out this morning. Two of una, now my friend. Especially the Winifred in particular. You know you are my childhood friend. Mrs. Winifred Osagi. You know you are my childhood friend. Your papa, Pastor Charles Asabo, is my father. I remember vividly at where you did Igborejo University. I came there to perform then. So, and then you are not married. You are my friend and you know me very well. Before Dion Osagi come marry you. So, my dear, you have to remember the fact that you are a woman. And women need to be submissive. Very, very submissive to a man, because in as much that marriage is union between a man and a woman, ladies of nowadays, when I want equal right, equal justice. Now the issue when most of our Nigerian women they get, when I want copy Oyibo, and it's very wrong. If you look at our fathers and our mothers, many of our papas have not get money. You understand? Many of our fathers, they not get money. They marry women, 1, 2, 3. The women are still loyal to them. Like me, youngest landlord, I came from a polygamous home. My papa married 4 wives, 4. Now my mom be last wife. Now my own mother now be last wife. The rest don't even come out. Now only my mom still there. My papa they do all sense of many things, but my mom they bear because of who? The children. So nowadays, guys, you people are not ready to be patient. Yeah. Sorry for the call that came in. I said this is the reason why most girls of nowadays not too like to copy Oyibo. I don't really know what happened between. Yeah, I don't really know what happened between Dion Osagi and Mrs. Winifred Osagi. But the most important thing is that, as far as in a husband and wife issue, now small now we go talk inside because we don't know what happened. Now who wear shoe? Now I know how it is the penal. But the point is that I'm just pleading, Mrs. Winifred Osagi, go back to your husband. Because first of all, you are a Christian, you are a pastor, you preach about marriage. So you are followers. Most of your followers, they are watching your footsteps. They want to be like you. So because that, be a good example. You are married, you are married. You don't pay your dowry, you don't pay your dowry. So no matter what, you two of una fair date. So you suppose know your character. You know if not something where you feel enter, if not waiting you not feel enter. Since you are in, go back to your husband. Try and put him in prayer. Most times when you take do all those your live video to take the preach to people online, use those times till they pray to God. May repair your home. Because home first. I don't say, so you have to first of all go and repair your home, my dear. Call your husband. Baby, I'm sorry, no matter what happened. I need you back. Oh, baby, now so you'll be. Loyalty, no be witchcraft. Loyalty, no mean say you be fool. Loyalty not mean say you are weak. Loyalty simply means that you are humbled. And the Bible says pride come before fall. What will be humility? Submissive to your husband. to your husband because after God, now your husband. That is it. My sister, the truth, not your past, say, boyfriend full everywhere. We have 500 million, 1 billion boyfriend everywhere. Husband, hardly before husband day. Imagine how you lead person. Let's say you go start for square one. It even happened to me. I'm saying it live. Share this video. It happened to youngest landlord, but I don't come out one day, put on for social media because I believe in a waiting I feel handle and I waiting God want. So, but today I'm enjoying my new relationship, even if I'm not yet married. But I'm enjoying Mama Idahosa. You know, they give me problem. You know, they give me issues. Because I believe, say, last year, February, me and my ex not there again. I'm saying it. That same February, I met Mama Idahosa on Facebook. This year, January, I opened this hotel. I start foundation last year, February. I completed this year, January. I born newborn baby. It shows that I not wrong the person. Most times, una won't be woman, If man love una, the thing go enter una head. Una your office say na una grace, na una head good. Now make the man the progress. You people don't know the altar, the sacrifice. This man is paying to different altar. His own grace. Una your believe say na una head na good. Because of that one, una they misbehave. By the time you leave the man, you can't know how the man take better past the one where you know. My dear, Dion make you famous. Ambassador Dion Osagi. I don't know what Dion did to you. I know Dion might be wrong. But in as much that Nigerians are calling out that you should go back to your husband. Go back. Because now I know how Nate start. At least he took you to US, to Canada. Now, so in as much a man can do that, there is every belief that he can do more. My dear, don't be brainwashed. Don't be deceived by friends or by anybody. Don't let anybody come take you, come spoil your happiness. Marriage na happiness. Don't let anybody. You not get anybody home when good though. They go only they lie. You not get any home when good, when quarrel no day. If Pastor Chris or Yahilome and his wife he divorce, I not believe say you not get any home. Anybody went up woman for us. You don't marry her, you never marry her. When quarrel, not the day. After quarrel, now settlement. So my sister, Winifred, you are my sister. You are my childhood friend. Your papa and my papa, I'm still saying it. You will not be saying, I'm not talking of our relationship of 5 years. I'm talking about 15 years, if you will remember. 15 to 12 years. Even before you enter Igbinedion school. You know everything. So please, go and settle your home. So that God will give una fruit of una womb, of your womb. Because now waiting, una need to be pray for, now not be quarrel, fight. Now so you do this one. Your husband get out to quarrel with you when you are wrong. You still get out to quarrel with your husband when your husband is wrong. Now be union. Una they teach each other. Una they learn from each other. Una mistake not supposed to be una end point. Una mistake supposed to be lesson to both of una. May not repeat itself again. So coming out on social media, now so my wife, that's for Dion Osagi, coming out on social media, now so my wife do this one, now so my wife do this one, now so now Percy they spoil my wife, now so now Pastor Funke they spoil my wife. If you stay clear from this, my brother Dion. Not be person, they spoil person. Now one spoil, now one spoil. You feel get friends when they thief, you know they thief. If you get friends when they cut, you know they cut. If you get friends when they drink beer, you know they drink beer. Now one spoil. Now they say evil communication corrupt good manner. Now every talk when they tell you, now you go take. You as a reasonable human being. You will be person when they learn it. You will be person when go school. You suppose know, you are not a kid, you know you're right. You know you're wrong. You suppose know the one to follow. Do you understand me? So as for the lady, Mrs. Winifred, my name is youngest landlord. They say to her is human, to forgive is the divine. As a young new apple, so it's still fresh. It can be easily amended and it can be easily be settled. So you guys will find a way and settle yourself. More now take social media out of our own marriage. All those people when they comment. Hey, you are right. Thanks for leaving Dion Osagie. Hey, who it is say he be? My sister. Their own not still good for us, so they not go tell you. Nobody will borrow you your husband for one night stand, though. Nobody will borrow you your wife for one night stand, though. At the end, people when they clap and they follow you, now they will first be the first to laugh you. So me una get shame. Two of una get shame. Ambassador Dion Osagie, I know say you truly care about your wife. And because of that, anything when she do you, try and temper mercy with justice, my brother. I was in London 2019 for my London show when I take carry my mama. Ambassador Dion Osagie flew from Manchester 5 hours. We train. He used it from Manchester. Come London, come my show. Buy ticket. Help me sell ticket. That is brotherly love. I did do show for Lagos, my own testimony night for Lagos, 2018. Ambassador Dion from Abuja, buy ticket with Maleke, come Lagos. My Lagos show. So now only Mumu, now I go to sleep when he house the bomb. My brother don't feel they pass through all this, then I don't feel he speak for her. I'm not trying to say, I don't know if you are the one that is wrong, my brother. But all I'm saying is that both of you should settle yourself. Women should understand the fact that they are the neck of every home. Women, now we be the head. Women should understand that normal Benin man, we get pride. All Benin men get pride. For home, no Benin man want come down, make woman put her head for ground, the masha. It is forbidden in Benin land for a woman to be riding on man. It is barbaric. It is a taboo in Benin land. The way we take grow, our papa, our mama loyal to our papa. Women, the way we take grow, now they now know. Woman, no, they carry bucket. Woman bucket, they follow parlor. It is a taboo. Woman, when they period, no, they cook for husband. It is a taboo. Woman, no, they hang pants for your husband bathroom. It is a taboo. Now, so we take grow. Our mama go wrong. Our papa will say, go kifa, go kigo. Now, the family went and grow. My sister, Mrs. Winifred, not let Oyibo lifestyle enter your head, though. Forget, say all those your fairness when you feel those your whip, all those your, when you they speak. You will be Benin girl. You know where you come from. Not let anybody go to deceive you. Now all those Oyibo, when they carry their husband, they give their friend, may fuck. They will constantly carry their wife, give their friend. Don't go copy all those rubbish and dirty way of life. You be African woman. You should be respectful to your husband, to your country, to your state, and to your land. To your family, my sister. So please, go and settle with your husband. And as you do, God bless you. That God where you deserve. That God where you dey preach about. Say you be Christian, you be a woman of God. That all those your level, all those your winning fellowship where you just do. You see and say God will open more ways for you. Because marriage is a blessing. Marriage now which they enjoy, not be which they endure. And devil feel use man to destroy your home. Devil feel still use woman to destroy your home. But I don't know is always the end. You leave man today, not mean say the man die you. You leave man today, not mean say the man go frustrate you. You leave man, if na man when guesses, he go take an upon himself. As a man, the committee don't tell myself, till I die, me youngest now, till I die, I can never self wear for my ass. Or I'll call the hot pure water for my ass. No. May God you take my life. Down, say it go happen. That's why day and night with the hustle hard. To make sure, say, you leave man, you can't say and say, not be the same level where the man day, where you take day with an eye day. That one a man of courage. That one a man of determination. That's what it's supposed to be for woman. But my sister, this one too early. It's too early. Husband and wife are born to quarrel. Benin say, oh, wezo, oh, what do I my boy? Home of quarrel, now husband and wife has the build and put. Now for not to understand una self. Una be, are you tired? My sister, now what for you? Sure. Your marriage when you're there 5 years. Now 5 years your marriage you're there. They pay money for your head, they pay money. I chop, okay, I know even, I not con data. My friends chop rice for your marriage. They eat rice. They spray. But you don't say it don't break up. Is that the wish for yourself? You are too young now. If other people they do, must you copy it? Copy the good part of marriage. What are the good part of marriage? The responsibility of making a good home. That be the sweet part of marriage. You and your husband they together. Even if una dey quarrel inside house, una dey settle immediately. My ex, I never paid that in the introduction. I don't do. Hey, misbehave. Now I do like this. I not come out for social media one day come cry. I not tell anybody. Now only my God I tell. On that same month, when she go February last year, I jam my mama in the house for Facebook. He come ask, and now I give her belly immediately. Trust your guest landlord, I not dey waste time. As he enter, he go. I better keep on. I probably will know now do introduction. On that 1 year, do introduction. I bought the house on October 30th. Last year, same year. I open hotel, January of it. So, else when go now, they see all these things. So, I know not be competition. Now, just God, now they do everything, they make it happen. Because you know, say, I'm not wrong. Your boss say, Dio, not even wrong you. And you are doing this. My sister, remember, when you go up, they surely come down. There is a law of karma. So, you can't eat your cake and have it, my sister. Go and settle your home. Now, wait here, you'll get to tell you. And this message still goes to other women too. You people should realize, 5 years ago, now, so una fed una see husband when they carry. For man to fit do visa, carry you go Yankee. Is it easy? Now, love reach there, now trust, now reach there. Now, feelings, now reach there. Don't be saying now you want to say you be Alpha and Omega. Think now. I remember vividly, self. Dion see open shop for you for Boundary Road. What do they do? Dion not tell me talk on this one, but I'm just saying my mind for Boundary Road. Now, so I know say you yourself as a woman will still do for your husband, no, in terms of love and care. Before man they say want to do something for woman, you suppose know say the woman don't show on that love for her to fit it do. So more go back to that one early stage when I tell no, when I tell love each other. Before it's too late, my sister. Before it's too late, my brother. Before it's too late. This pastor of a woman went in on the talk. Pastor Funke Adejumo Abi, something like that. Mrs. Winifred, you not know this woman, your home, they peaceful. You dey enjoy your home. I know they talking at the woman because I not did there. I'm just trying to make her some point. Now, what your husband want, now you go do now. Are you tired? If your husband say, not follow me, go show. Stay us. He get that to talk him. If your husband say, baby, you, the way it be now, stay us, or they come and want go work. He get that to talk. If your husband say, not follow so friend. He get that to talk because he don't pay your dowry. Now your husband. Your husband to supposed to be your second God where you see on earth. Now in name you dey bear. Now when I want to live to your old age. If you see get that to tell your husband say, baby, this set of friends when you dey follow, I don't like them. You give him reason. Say, see why you need to cut them off. Now so it be. Not be the one your husband will say, I don't want so thing. Your husband go talk 1, you say 10,000. You will talk 10,000. Your husband go say 2, you will say 2 million. That's not how to build home. Now the problem when most girls they get, una young one say una husband be like, una they see una husband as una boyfriend. Some girls they see their husband as their boyfriend because that one they misbehave. Yeah? Why me they feel they talk my own now? Because now 1 year plus a day now. We know they gay. I dey see her for club. I dey see her for beer parlor. Me when they say not they responsible. Youngest landlord when they say not responsible. Say I don't do introduction for other woman. It dey as now. Say I don't born in the house. We are living peacefully. Say I don't get new business. You when they talk that time say they responsible. Now you are the see for different club they twerk. They shake hands. Now you are the see for different club they show bread this one. Now so this life be. Sometimes, because they travel. Now you're facing so you're the fuck all those Italy girls, all those. I met him in London. In my own show. He from Manchester come. He not carry woman. My man and my weakness. Or Johnny Gallo wife. Now my weakness. As he success welcome my show. Now my weakness. The man say go find daily bread. Now you begin conclude. Now so woman, so woman, so. How many girls me youngest now of sleep with? As I your day, so I not go that way. I go the drive, I will see girl. I will go show, I will see girl. I will go marriage, I will see girl. I will go abroad, I will see girl. Social media, Facebook, I go see girl. WhatsApp, girl. How many girls? How many? When you be woman, you get money, you dey try. Talk also you can't get name, join. So my sister, a bed at hand, worth 1,000 for bush. Your husband, Dion, now your cherished goods, now your bed where you get. Don't go lose them for another woman. My sister, don't let the Lord deceive you. Forget all those your beauty. We may day. Guess day now. Where guess day? When they try, my sister, when go see ready to lawyer, what they win men heart now submissiveness from a woman. Not be all man good though. You not get man when go come and say no they cheat, but you they cheat with respect. No come value side chick pass your wife. That is number one. You know, get pastors we go come and say, you know, they carry, you know, they do corner bet in one instant. You know, the gospel truth is that you as a woman know this one for your head. Say your husband and your husband. So far, you know, they do one until they rub face. Are you bad for now? So, hey. God, may anybody go tell my man in the house, say now, say your guest landlord. Even if I never paid daddy for the woman head, by God grace, this December, go tell my man in the house, say now, so you see your guest landlord, they carry a woman, they carry 2 girls, they carry 3 girls. He go say, leave her. I love her like that. Because you know the value of home. That's all that women supposed to be. Now you tell you say, now so they see your husband. You know if not a friend, if not a client, if not a business partner, we all see them, they all they talk. The next you snap them, go show. There are many people, they are working to destroy people home. There are many guests, when they watch me for Facebook, so many of them, they watch me, when I know I'm saying the truth, when I work to spoil una friend relationship. And so we see your husband, I also may I tell you, not just saying I may tell you, you don't know, so you don't cause damage. After my house, you go say, now so this one, now so this one. Now I can't call her one day, I say, come on. Me and you suffer together. 11 years relationship. Now your friend when they tell you nonsense. Now those your friends when they tell you, you set them up with youngest landlord. If I don't need care, they put for room. You just give me their number. May I walk them through WhatsApp. All those your friends when they come tell you nonsense. May you tell no say you not get friend. No girl want. May you get friend. Husband better pass you. Jealousy now women jealousy full pass. Jealousy. Now I say try me. Just give me one number. Give me one number or 2. May I just form toasting. You are naked and you come see and you know say you not get friend. Now when they disrupt people home, when I see husband and wife they happy, when they use gossip. Tell the husband see what your wife they do. Tell you go meet your wife now so your husband do this one. Wanna stop all those things. Evil people. Useless people. See young couple. Dion Osage, big boy. A wife. Beautiful, responsible woman of God. Woman of God. That woman not be clear. All those things where they happen. So not be your clear. Winifred. I know you way back. You know they put one for bad things. You know they do like this. You be my very good friend. They call your part church. They come perform. Not gonna let all those people come spoil your at the end now, you come be a Dano or Domadu body. Now so it be. Now to stay abroad, my sister beg, call your husband, you call her for phone, say, baby, I'm sorry for what happened. Mona settle herself quietly. Mona leave social media. Marriage life, not be go now. They put up on social media. Now so my wife do this one. Some women, some husband and wife they quarrel for Facebook. His wife go chat his husband. Now God go punish you. You declare so. Hello, the man go reply. Now before I reach her, say, pack it for Facebook. So men, your day now, any small thing, their wife you offended, they will call family meeting. They will call the both parents of the woman. They will call he will constantly call you. They will call family meeting. As he said, they want to do marriage. They'll call it talk, say, see. Wait till your day, they say, baby, this nonsense what you do, how they like how. The best thing what you do, if you try them again, I will stop you leave this house for you. Me, they do one, eh? Mama, the house I go offend me. Now that minute I take the girl show. Hello? Me, I can't count. For your present, I go to arrange luggage. I don't get an issue. Pia, I don't go far away, I go relax. 5 days, you know, you see me. No call, nothing. Now she go, they call. I can't go put that cat for social media. All of you now, when see they join the woman, more now advise the woman. All of you now, when see they join the man, more now advise the man. Because two of them, me be like middleman for this matter. I know Ambassador Dion Osagie is my very good friend. But now when he friend, now me friend no. Because we almost grew up together. Now I friend no. That's why I can never still join Winifred. Because now woman, my sister, go and settle your home. May peace day. May we whenever marry, when we go soon marry, by God's grace. May we not see marriage the wrong. Because me not fit do marriage now, may internet not carry on, may go not carry on. At the end, they'll come see no say me and the woman not see day again. Before you know, they'll call they can't marriage, they follow me. I be the only waiting at the look. I beg. You too young, make the one they can't husband, they follow. You too young, oh my sister. You too young. You too young, my sister. All those fine boy when they Canada, when no get work. The your pen trouser, pen hair, form swag. You get 6 pack. If they wipe you finish, they know they marry you, and they tell you. They'll wipe 10 years come up for your age, my sister. But you know, don't go and don't go deceive yourself. I don't see when they talk, say, if they go wipe fune come up for your mouth. You'll be say, they go wipe Chris. At the end, no level. Boyfriend fool everywhere. Husband. They hard. So you will get husband, or your husband will. Which lie boy want like you? Which deceive boy want deceive you? Which money boy want show you when you not get? Who fit carry you go abroad? Marry you. What if boy want tell you? Think Anna. What if your friend say why even tell you say leave your husband? What if you don't go reason back? At the end, they'll go to the now what if they pay me back? They'll say that their head good, now they make man grow. They'll say, if I leave you, now some my mumu else they tell me that time. If I leave you, now my head good though. No, now me get goat head. Now me get unsusuna, now my head not good. So guys not get sense. Easily deceived, easily brainwashed. Mama they make one parable. Odo mao, arone. Husband good, husband not good. I did there already. I know one born, yeah. Now so mama they talk. That make us all of us born us for one place. Make that unity day. Not be to born, yeah. At the end you can't cause problem for your children. That fatherly love not go there among them. You don't go there now. I don't see where woman go marry thief, he go change the man not go the thief again. Go change him. Now the way that woman they fit build man. I don't see where man go marry a shower, go know say this gonna runs girl a shower, he go marry and put for us. He go change him. Not be waiting you tell people, now people won't believe. You want to go to tell your friends, say my wife na a shower before. Now that eye they'll tell you look the woman. You want to go to tell people say my husband fair thief or fair keep people. Now that eye they'll tell you look the woman. Everybody know how it is in dream, how it is in love. You can jam your wife in street, as it also you carry her. From there, you will not begin to talk, the feelings can they grow. Before you know, you stop her. You can jam your husband in anywhere. Don't be those things where pastor they talk. Happiness start from your own heart. Your counseling of marriage start from your own heart. Not be all those things where pastor want. Now pastor want to settle my home for me. For what? Happiness starts. Some women, they respect their pastor past their husband. Some women believe their pastor past their husband. Some women will get quarrel with their husband, they'll go tell pastor. Some women like this, they will see their pastor, they will kneel down for grant. They kneel down, they lie down. Daddy. They will see their husband, they know kneel down for their husband. What those nonsense? As if the pastor, they put food for on a table for us. Learn how to respect your marriage, especially. Marriage not till death, so not be all those one that you talk for social media, blah 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 blah. People know the truth, don't they fit talk. I know for you watch my own friend, Osagi, my own sister. When he friend, when they used to often they boast. It not be because say your home good, are they London? You from Manchester. You straight take come London, come see me. You even carry almost 15 people that buy ticket for my London show. I do show for Lagos 218. Table now 1 million. VIP 500,000. You there Abuja. You from Abuja. Please squad come Lagos. Make my hand not for. Then this kind of thing call the happen. I come to say because say I be youngest landlord, I be comedian. I they call you this morning, Dion, you not pick. Now I say, man, you go live. And that's why I tag you. May you see this video. Maybe you get what you they do the woman too. When make the woman the verse, the coming not join anybody for this video. It get pains when that woman they pass through, my brother. You need to call that woman, ask her a question. Before you they say more divorce or as we don't divorce. What it be the really issue? If now waiting the woman officially tell you, if you see say within your whole heart you did wrong, my brother, you will try may you are made down. May you stop her. May please stay there your home. The way husband they had to see. Now, so true wife, they have to see. Now, these guests we will get, now social media guests, now iPhone 12 guests, and a Bone Street guests. When it be say they don't want your marriage, but say I will buy you Bone Street, they will do like this for you. You just see Bernard, Guests not mad to go 20 rand because of Bone Street hair, because of iPhone 12. If you like make the pussy tear up and down, they know you want. Yeah. So far, you feel bad that I for 12 and Bone Street. So now the girls don't spoil where we passed before. That's why I made you they pray for the next generation. Because this generation don't corrupt. So my brother. So on women they deceive man too. Now you Dion I they talk to so on women yours day. They already be now as you want to start to date another girl now. They feel because they know say your wife not there with you again. They will rather you the beer. Even if you slap their eye, they will the beer. They will the beer. May you take pull ring for their hand. Before they will come start to show their character. I don't see them. I don't weakness them. I don't experience them. Me, youngest landlord. Now God give me mind. I make me say, I believe say nothing will weigh me down. As far as say I dey breathe, as far as say God dey. So I don't see some of my friends when they follow me go show, when they move around, we dey enjoy together. As soon as they all marry, they will enter us. To come outside again a problem. I don't see some friends. I dey Birmingham for England. You get what they call Birmingham City. I even carry my mama go to. I go see my friend. I don't want to mention name. My friend want dash my mama money. He say, I better hold on, not let my wife know. Keep her EJ, not let my wife know. Why? I don't see some men. They be like that. So my brother, even if you want to get a girlfriend, think twice. Think twice, oh. Think twice. May you not be saying that the one where you want to go carry a nest. Now go come worse pass who you live. Winifred, think twice, oh. May you not go be saying now the boy where you want to follow nest. Now go come worse pass who you live. And so it be, oh. That's why I say to her is human. To forgive is divine. My own, now until they give example. I'm saying it to the world, una the year. Mama Idahosa get belle last year, July. My own birthday. He get Idahosa belle. For my own house. When he say, Yamu Conte visit me for my house for Amagba. He get belle, my pa and mama did my house. Our own sisters did my house. I, youngest landlord, I purposely carry another girl come my own house where pregnant woman did. I put the woman inside room, my guest room. Me and the woman did inside. Around exactly 12, my birthday on July 27, exactly 12 of it for night, where my birthday want to reach. Mama in the house, they find me, he not see me with belly. As he knock for door, he see me with another girl for night, for inside room. Only way he tell me, I defy you to give you wristwatch, to take wish you happy birthday. But since you carry another woman, come this house, where you know say my younger ones dey, your papa, your mama dey, but get out for your mind, say, I not go leave you for another girl may come in. Now the girl go leave me for you. Now we take this, so you say that kind of woman not be better woman. If now some girls, they don't scatter TV, scatter everything. And I plan out with the girl because we all know February, so I dey try put her into test to know if na woman will be say, because of my past relationship. So I dey try, not be say I dey fuck with the girl. I just say your day, I just want phone. So my brother and sister, Dion Osagie and Winifred. If you now watch this my video, Mona replay. If now waiting on a fist settle. Mona settle and make devil shame. May all those who are useless friends when they happy, when they pull fire, make God disgrace them. He not get anything when of he settle. He not get anything when God not he settle. Not be say Dion don't give another girl belly and I say you don't born outside. Or say now so you go born outside. Any other thing can be settled. Can be settled now. And you, marriage is sweet, marriage bitter. Not they imagine, oh my God, Dion, people, different people, they come out for video, they talk, they yap Dion, they curse Dion. So they curse the wife, they curse this one. I don't feel curse too often. Now to beg una. Because una marriage now waiting me, youngest landlord. Now waiting I they admire, say, by the time I you do my marriage, okay, now this kind of life I don't want to live with my, as in you carry your family, they'll go down, they'll relax, give them a good life, not be this bad, this useless country. You understand? But unfortunately, you can't carry woman go abroad now because they say now he be Alpha and Omega, now he be the first daughter of St. Mary Magdalene, now he holy pass, now he know God pass, and you will know God, you will holy, you leave your husband, you divorce. What do you call they preach to people? So you see, think, my dear, if not because of anything, because of the true Christian that you are, because the child of God where you be, because the servant of God, hey, your gospel Lord, tell them something, preach the word of God, because of the child of God where you be, you think and say, this step where I want to take so, because now, winning, take it or leave it, you are a leader already, because you have followers, you have people where they look up to you, you have many young single ladies, when they listen to you, when they burn their MB, their data, they listen to you. So because of this, I have to settle my home. Still come and say, let's preach, say women have to be submissive to their man. Preach. Now those can't preach now what they hear. Because una will be women, una they are adorable for women. So man, you must love your wife, show your wife care and attention, especially. Money day, money no, there are that attention first. So, my dear, if I be you, after this video, call your husband. Baby. Share your doing. You know that your voice. Winnie, you know that your voice. Hello. Express. And you be Benin girl, you they speak Oyibo. I laugh and they laugh you. Oh, right, baby. Oh, actually, where are you, baby? I like to see you, baby. Where are you? You meet your husband. I'm gonna know your Russian with kiss. May I trust Dion, make Dion you hijack you enter room. May give you better start, till straight down, smack down. May all those your sense, all those your sense, all those your sense may come back to you. May you know say you be married woman, my dear. When I will view, when I share this video, may get to Winifred, may get to my brother Dion Osagie, may get to everybody. The way I tell start now, I tell end. No marriage is perfect. You not get any home when quarrel not day. You not get anywhere quarrel not day. Now maturity to fit settle and handle the quarrel. Now makes you a matured man and I make you a matured woman. When your husband they get hot temper. Once me they shout, I don't very verse, they provoke. Now for the ability for the woman to use diplomacy and wisdom to calm down. Because two wrongs can make a right. That's what they're talking for English. 2 lions, no fit stay one house. 2 rats, no fit put wet for the same bowl, they drink water. So my sister, if now you get the hot temper inside, medium, calm down. May suffer take it through. You already luggage. I get to run. May you not go destroy things until your head come down. So please, as soon as I share this video to my brother Dion Osagie and his lovely wife, not be S-wife. Better remove that word S. That S, you where they say that they be saying he S-wife. You already they conclude, say they not go come back. His wife. As far as she never returned dowry. You know, see his wife. So please, to their parents, may their parents still watch this video too. May their parents, may your mama watch this video. May Winifred Papa, my godfather, my mentor, Pastor Charles Asabo, Christ Victory Bible Church, a panomina, former Limit Hotel, popular for Sapler Road, 9 getter. Oga, still listen to this video. Call Dion Osagie. Call your daughter. Put call. If you feel do conference call or group call for WhatsApp, when you settle 2 of them, because you are a man of God. That is still get the way it be. Say people still here say your own daughter, you prominent man of God for Nigeria. You when they help widows. You know, Winifred Papa, now big man of God, they help widows. Christ Victory Bible Church for Sapler Road, near my hotel here. Near the church there. Okabere Johnson. That's the headquarters. The man a big man, a wedding man. Now man when people know. So of course he here say your first daughter. Say your break up marriage. Because of what? How do you get the way before you? So call your daughter, give her a reason, cancel her. Daddy, you they cancel other people marriage. Cancel your own. Cancel your own daughter. Cancel her husband. Call 2 of them. Let them know, say, this thing when they want start, so they not finish her. How you go be daddy, you of course see wed another marriage again for 1 daughter. It's not clear now. You of course see gather everybody again. Say, I bless this union for the same daughter, whether for married. Settle them, because as far as say, not be, they not enjoy each other. Not be say your daughter go cheat now for her side, or now so your son, settle them, sir. You not get waiting off is be resolved. And as you do, sir, God bless you. My youngest landlord, aka big man, when not get money. See you later. Bye-bye.